Ladies and gentlemen, this is an example of the ease in which the wonderful product of GenStone is installed in your home by yourself, you and your wife, etc. Very easy and quick installation. As you can see, as evidenced by the video, how beautiful it is. It actually looks similar to real stone. One would not know that it's GenStone if one did not touch it or purchase it. Beautiful, beautiful product. I recommend it to everyone. We put it in our edition here and everyone loves it, family and friends. Most of them thought it was real stone. And when we told them, they couldn't believe it. And it's priced, decent.